In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we use color in doing custom colors or book colors. Sometimes in our design field, we have swatches that we're trying to match from either paint stores or Pantone books, or sometimes we just know from a printer or from a manufacturer the exact color breakdown of a color that we need. To customize the color that we want, we can just click on the swatches, or as shown in other tutorials, I can either open my swatches and create a new swatch by clicking my options, or I can go to color and use my color picker. But if I know and need to access a particular color book to get a particular spot color or a custom color, easiest way to do it is by clicking on foreground so that you can access the color libraries. So for example, if I know a particular web color, in this particular case, all these zeros means web black, but if I know a particular web color, I can punch it in here and it will give it to me. If I know a particular CMYK breakdown for printing, so for example, Coca-Cola Red is 100% magenta and 100% yellow and 0 cyan and 0 black, it gives me that Coca-Cola Red. But I can also go to color libraries and I can select from a variety of Pantone books and process color books. So for example, I can use the True Match system if I want, or Pantone Solid Coat, or Focal Tone, or any of these varieties depending on what I'm picking from. We'll go with Pantone Solid Coated for now. And if I pick a color using the swatches, and I switch to Pantone or any of those color books, it will bring me to the closest to that color in that booklet that it can find. If I know of a specific color, I can just type in the number and it will automatically scroll to the number that I want. When I hit OK, it will then add it to my swatches. And then once it's in my swatches, I can double click on it and I can manipulate it even further. If I have this color and I select the picker, it will bring me back to the color picker and show me in its position what its CMYK breakdown is, what its closest web color is, what its closest RGB breakdown is. And this is how I select custom colors from color books in Photoshop.